a difference between these people and between me, because me, I know how to teach people like this. Remember also the main thing is, if you reverse, you have to lower your bucket. Don't, like now, don't put it all the way down and then reverse. Just so far from the ground if you reverse, and then if you stop, you put neutral, and then you put your bucket on the ground. You see now your bucket is not straight. You see that this must be on the floor, and it's very important for your teeth. You see now your bucket is straight here. You see now your bucket is straight. If your bucket is straight like this, you get a lot of sand. Now your bucket is standing like this, the sand's going under. So it's very important. If you come again tomorrow, I will show you. If you sit inside, how you can see if your bucket are straight. But you see here, your teeth here, if your teeth are catching on the ground,